Oh, whoa, what's up today, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove your master switch, the switches from your panel. If you guys want to install a decal or if you just want to know how to take it off. So let me show you guys how to do it. So right back here behind the switch panel, as you guys can see, this is your entire master switch for the driver's side. It's off a 2004 to 2009 Toyota Prius. Just regular driver's side auto window lock, power locks, mirror switch. The mirror switch, this one here, is just on clips. You can see those little clips back there? It just basically clips into this little housing right there. So you guys can see right here. I'm gonna switch over. You guys see two Phillips heads? Where's my little pocket screwdriver? Here you go. Today's sponsor, Craftsman. Well, not sponsored by them, but I wish I was. Just hold on to it like this. There we go. And you just take it off like that. Use your paws, your knees to hold this on. Take the screws out. And take the other screw out. Then you go up here. You take this one off. Yeah, I have to repaint my nails. And then you just grab it. And there you guys. Whoa, that gives me anxiety. That's so nasty. I'll make sure I clean this up before I put this back in the panel. So anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for updates. As always, hello.